Hello, we are from section 1. Let me introduce the group member.
My name is Nathanisha Chupajong.
My name is Shanisala Krangdongkheng.
My name is Jiratikan Phanput.
My name is Thanachapon Hoihongthong.
And me, Natapon Pongpet.
Today we will present our group project. The topic we are interested in is the magnitude of the force and angle of the wheel that minimize the pulling force of the suitcase when dragging it over surface with different surface and friction to preserve the use of the bag.
Therefore, the information we need to calculate is the size and weight of the bag. So we start by measuring and weighing the bag, where we will measure the height from the wheels. And use knowledge of the balance of rigid objects in 3 dimensions in the calculations.
To calculate the force required to drag the bag in the absence of friction, we will use the mass of the bag to be 32 kg and the reaction force on all 4 wheels to be balanced. Start by writing free body by substituting the force at the handle of the bag into the variable p to find the force dragging the bags on 4 wheels and the force mg at the center of the bag and the force acting on the wheel along the x and y axis.
Next, write the force at a vector, then find the point of rotation, then find r, then find the moment from the point of rotation, and once you have all the moment, find the moment in an exit to calculate the force and angle when dragging a bag in a area with friction. Do you same but with only 2 wins of reaction force. Find the drag force of the 2 wins back. Write the angle theta and the force mg at the center of the bag. The force acting on the wheel along the x-axis is the friction force and increase the angle theta.
We conclude that the minimal force required to drag the bag is 313.92 Newton, and when dragging a bag in an area with a lot of friction, a force of 356.6651 Newton must be exerted to drag the bag and has a tilt angle of 61.6609 degrees. Because there are only 2 wheels in use, reducing the friction that's occurs. The advice is when we must drag the bag on a surface with friction, you should drag your bag at an angle to the ground, because if you drag it at an angle, it can cause a lot of friction and cause the wheel of the bag to break.